Down the street to where I was in the last video, filming the property video 101 stuff, and I was called out by a property owner that was just a hop, skip, and a jump away, maybe about 1.5 miles, who has this house that his insurance company is trying to cancel him because I guess they were taking some aerial photos 6 months ago or something like that, and they thought they saw mold on the top of the house. So he called me to get photos done of the roof for an aerial inspection. So I thought it might be kind of cool to make a video showing how you can do other stuff other than just real estate photography. When you own a drone, you own all this gear. So I'm going to do a POV, like a point of view, where my little GoPro pointing down, showing how I would do something like an aerial roof inspection so that you can get some additional income that way. So it's going to be super fun. It's going to take me 5 minutes to do, and that'll be $205 right there. So I'm going to slap on my point of view camera, get my drone ready, and we're going to take these pictures. Okay, so I've got, that's my client calling me right now. Hey, Spencer, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm at the property right now. I'm just confirming 920. It's kind of got wood slats at the front.
Yep, that's
okay,
the
cool.
one, 920.
Cool, excellent. I'm just about to fly my drone up now from the backyard and capture some aerial photos. I just wanted to just quickly touch base and see if there was anything specific you wanted to go over, or any specific spots of the property that you wanted photoed other than just the roof.
Yeah, no, just the roof. That's what the insurance company's bugging me about. So, to do the best you can with the roof shots. I mean, the roof looks great to me especially from the back. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing too. I think it'll be totally fine. The sun just came out.
Good.
So
that's
good for
that's okay.
Yeah, that'll give us the best view of everything as well. So I'm gonna fly the drone up, and then I'll have everything to you this afternoon, my friend.
Okay, sounds really good. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, have a good weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, so I got everything situated here. We're going to go to the DJI Fly app. We're going to turn on our controller, turn on our drone, close this, lock that, and off we pop. So I'm going to go, we're going to hit OK, go fly, confirm. All right, so I'm gonna go to the backyard because when you're flying the drone around, people, specifically in this area as well, they get mad at you. They're like tripping out while you're flying a drone. So I'm going to hang out in the backyard and fly the drone up. So here is a good a spot as any. So I kind of take off from a spot that's kind of unobstructed. So switch into photo mode.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
And then we're going to take off. And fly straight up. And we can see what it looks like. All right. So I'm just gonna sit down right here and take the first photo. Oh, storage full. Okay, if that happens, we can go to format, internal storage format, format SD card. Okay, perfect. So now we can take the photos. And we just want to kind of inspect thoroughly. Okay, maybe switch to the 3x camera, which is nice about the Air 3. And then we'll need to increase the shutter speed to get it brighter. And we just take photos of different points of the roof. Come down a little bit. Maybe increase the shutter speed a little bit so we can see the shadows better. And we're just taking photos at every possible angle for this client. And fly up a little bit more so we can capture the entire roof. Okay. You should technically have line of sight over the drone, like at all times, but whatever. It's right above me. And then, because we're about to do drone footage for my course, I want to check the weather around here. And we're looking clear, baby. So that is where the house that I'm shooting is at. And then, so let's just take a nice, wide pano for this client, just so he can have it of the area that he the area that he lives in, and his house, because that's always a cool thing to deliver as well. Let's take this. It's going to automatically take all these photos, which is super cool. And we are done. Hey, I just got paid. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, and that's all there is to it. So now we're going to fly back over. We're going to come straight down. Maybe we'll take another photo just right here. There we go. And we're going to fly straight down. And that's all there is to it. We are done with this shoot. And then we'll send over the unedited images. It's very important in situations like this that you don't edit the photos at all, because especially for insurance company reasons, they want to see exactly what the drone sees. So if it's edited at all, then they can be like, oh, the images are doctored or whatever. So you'll just want to send over the raw DNG files. Or, I mean, you can change them to JPEG or whatever, but, I mean, you should send over everything at once just so that there's no confusion and the client doesn't run into any additional problems with their insurance company, because insurance companies are miserable and you don't want to have to deal with any more problems than you absolutely have to. But now that it's sunny, I need to go back to the other property and show you how to do, or rather show the course members how to get smooth aerial video of a property. But I think I haven't eaten yet, so I think I'm gonna go eat something real quick and then get filming. But I am actually ahead of schedule today, which is super, super exciting. I thought that I was going to be here until like 4 p.m. capturing all this stuff, but I'm glad the sun came out, so I got to do some video for my client and for my viewers. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about this little aerial inspection, something that you can do if you have a drone for more money coming into your business. So without further ado, I am going to go put some food in my belly and then go back to the other property and show you how to get amazing, smooth, cinematic aerial video without it kind of moving everywhere around, because aerial video is really, really important to do correctly, and if you don't do it correctly and you're moving all around, there's like new movements introduced mid-shot, it's no bueno at all. So we want to make sure we get smooth aerial video, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So join Property Video 101 course if you haven't already. Until it's live, it's 50% off, and then it won't be 50% off anymore, so join now.